It's just during Madhyam Lila, 11 to 3 in the afternoon, and then Rakti Lila, Nisha Lila, 11 till 3 in the evening. Radha Krishna Gopis and Mandris are enjoying pastimes of rambling and wandering through the Braj, many seasonal forest. This is called Ban Bihar Lila. A few days ago on the Hindi Pancham calendar, it says Mathura Vrindavan Parikrama. So every year during Bhadramas, which is preceding this, every year during Ashwin month is concluded, now it's Kartik. During Shukla Paksha, there's a particular day, maybe Nomi, where they have this Parikrama. Well, there's different Akshay Nomis. Akshay Nomi comes in May. But the main one is in May or summer, but this was just a week ago, 7 days ago. This Mathura Vrindavan Parikrama, all the Brijvasis, traditionally even today, I did it once about 20 years ago, they do Parikrama, 36 kilometers, or 30 or 42 kilometers Parikrama of Vrindavan. Vrindavan's only 7, Vrindavan going on. So you start Vrindavan, then you go to Mathura, there's a whole Parikrama route. Goes around Mathura and comes in by Bhava Mandir, and goes around by ISKCON, Radharani. So you do the whole Mathura Vrindavan Parikrama. It's really nice. It's nighttime. It's done at night. It's during the full. It's almost full moon. It was about 5 days ago. Thousand lakhs of people all singing, playing dolak, singing Brijvasi songs. It's a wonderful thing to do. And your mind will tell you 36 kilometers. Govardhan is 14. Vrindavan is 7. This is 36. So if you listen to your mind, you'll go nowhere in spiritual life. You might as well don't even take it. If your mind's going to have anything to do with it, then don't even start walking. But anyway, it goes on. Lots of rounds and lots of... So this is... Why are they doing that? That's the question. Because they want to experience this lila of Bihar. Ban Bihara, Radha Bihara Vipane, Bihara Vipane Ramatam Manome. So when they're wandering on this Mathura Braj Mandal Parikrama, Mathura Vrindavan Parikrama, you go through so many vans, and this Kishore van, and this van, and that van, Mayur van, and Mora van. And if you know anyone, you go with anyone who knows around this place, they'll tell you this is this, that. So it gives the mood of, now we're Parishads of Radha and Krishna, now we're wandering through these forest at night, there's Nisha Lila. It's really a wonderful experience. And so this is, the Brijvasis try to enter as much as possible, physically, mentally, and emotionally, into the pastimes of Radha and Krishna. That's why they're born here, and that's why devotees come here. So while meditating on Radha and her connection with Vrindavan, Prabhupada Saraswati had a spurti of Radha Govinda Yugo in her Braja Vihar, Van Vihar Lila. And he recorded here in this tika.